Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Like James Build up here, the man himself.
Okay. Flexed it a whole lot. The glass.
Crazy. Oh my man, it was like dancing, dude.
Can I come in? Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
Pretty good?
It's been a minute. I haven't seen you since Ruckus and Chill.
Okay, been a while. Nice.
Mike J. And I got two ZB512s on Assault 8. And then Dayton DSP on some Sky High Neo 6.5s.
Okay.
Sky High tweets up in the A-pillars on a SFB 1000.4. And I've got 192 amp hours of spin in the spare tire.
Really? Underneath? Oh, wow, okay.
Yep. And then the pods on the doors and the A-pillars are from custom speaker pods.
Okay.
And I love them.
So how did you notice the difference changing the way your amplifier was wired with amps?
What do you mean?
Did you notice a difference going from, I think you had two before, right?
I did.
Yep.
I had, so I had two XV3s in here last year when you got a demo at Ruckus.
Okay.
So these are D1s, so I wired up and back down, so I'm still at 1 ohm. Last year I had the X's at 1 ohm per amp.
Yep.
And then, like I had one coil from each sub on 1 amp, and then the other coil from each sub on the other amp.
Okay.
And then they were just gain matched.
Got it.
But it's kind of nice having 1 amp.
It is.
I'd rather do it that way.
Yeah.
Especially on something small.
Yes, sir. Nice. And it's louder. I'm guessing you're going to keep the trunk open.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you actually talked about this from Ruckus and Chill's video.
Uh-huh.
I gained 3.5 dBs with the trunk open.
That's wild.
And the car peaks at 28 hertz.
Okay. Do you notice anything change when you have that trunk closed while you're driving on the road with the frequency response, or is it the same still?
It's roughly the same. I mean, obviously it depends if I'm venting the windows or not.
Yeah. Okay.
My cabin peaks at 28, so I try to stay like 26 to 30.
Okay. You're lucky. Some people peak in the mid 30s.
Yeah, I can't do that, man.
Yeah.
I like lows only. I screwed up my ear. Joe Price's van.
Yeah.
Actually, at Ruckus.
Okay.
I got in there and he gave me a full tilt at like 56 hertz or something.
Yeah.
And it popped my ear.
Yeah.
So I try to stay away from anything above like 40.
Yeah. I understand. I like the angle champ for the subwoofer box.
Yeah, you mentioned that before too. I actually changed it a little bit. I brought it up a little bit tighter. I was at like 65 degrees on the XV3s, and I brought it up about 70 degrees this time.
Okay.
Yep.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Mike's dual 12-inch subwoofer system in his trunk. Really going to be showing you a 2-song demo today. This was the previous link I put in the description. That was a thumbnail when he actually had X series subs. Now he has the ZV5s, so upgraded motor force and a little bit more power. I like he kept the port on the driver's side, put all the pressure onto the passenger. A little bit louder on that. And the way he has his amplifier rack mounted. Before he had on top of the box, now he has it on the back. And a really big, powerful 8,000 watt amp. Going to get really crazy loud today with a 2-song bass demo you're going to see. the next few minutes. And if you notice the way he has his box actually chamfer angled, like I mentioned earlier, so that kind of helps offset where it kind of looks like it's matching with the angle of the seats. So we're getting to a 2-song bass demo. I hope you're enjoying the videos so far. Be sure to give Mike a like and comment what you like about his system. And we got total of 8,000 watts on 2 12-inch subs in this demo today. Subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos on my channel, Jacob Vile, and enjoy this 4-minute demo.
All right, yeah, man, I'd love to hear it, Mike.
Came up pumping weight, they smile in your face, they really want your place. Ain't nobody straight, just give me my cake. My little bitch, she gon' think when she walk that thing shake. Trap nigga mentality, I don't put shit in my name. Name one nigga that ever gave me a dime, I give you a million. Name one bitch that I can't fuck and I give you 2 million.
Got low. You're playing down 27 on that one. Wow.
This will play to 24.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I got pretty low. I'm pretty surprised.
Yeah.
Nice.
Most people are on this.
Yeah.
My cabin peaks at 28, so I try to stay like 26 to 30.
Okay. All right. One more, you said?
What's that?
What, you got one more song for me, or are you good?
Yeah, sure. Smash you one time, I don't want your heart. Keep that. I just spent 100 and something thousand on a Dodge. Motherfuck the law, fuck the law, fuck the law. Flag down every pretty in the race car. I've been drinking raw, drinking raw, drinking raw. White girl with me and she look just like a Barbie doll. I just walked the door and spent the 40 by mistake. I just walked the door and spent the 40 by mistake. I just walked the door and spent the 40 by mistake. If I take you out, bitch, that's $1 million date.
Song note with that low frequency. It sounds good. You did a good job for 212s in the trunk, man. I appreciate the demo, Mike.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
You have a good day.
Yeah, we'll see you around.
Yep.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.